Welcome to an unforgettable journey as we dive into the mysteries of Aranmula, renowned for its ancient mirrors crafted with century-old techniques and remarkable artistry. And that's not all, our adventure continues at the Jatayu Earth Center, home to the world's largest bird sculpture. So join me as we uncover the wonders and secrets of these incredible destinations. We're about to head to the Aranmula Handicrafts mirror. This is where they create it and this is where it's made.
This is the finished glass, this one.
Oh wow, look at that. Look, that's me!
Yeah.
Normally it's like a minimum of 6 to 7 days.
Oh really?
A small mirror.
Oh, so the mirror I just saw, that would take 7 days?
7 days. And you know, the whole process, if you want to see, you'll have to stay here for 3 days.
I'll set up a bed. Okay, so what process is this one here?
This is that mirror is polishing.
Okay, so it's basically near the end.
Yeah.
This is the first process. Standing here in this workshop, you realise pretty quickly that making an Aranmula mirror isn't some simple factory job. It's a full-on labour of love. The whole process relies on this secret recipe of copper and tin, a specific mix that families here have guarded for generations. They start with nothing but mud from the local paddy fields, creating these delicate moulds by hand. It's dirty, hot and incredibly precise work. They fire it up to over 700 degrees Celsius, melting the metal down until it casts into a rough black disc. But the real magic is the patience. There are no machines here polishing these mirrors. It's just hours and hours of human effort, rubbing the metal with different cloths, oils and paste. They have to go layer by layer, slowly coaxing that reflection out of the darkness. It takes days to get it right, but when they finish, you aren't looking at glass. You're looking at pure polished metal. It's a reflection that's as real as the person standing in front of it. I've obviously just seen the process, which was really, really cool. It's interesting to know that the smaller ones are 7 days, like minimum, and the larger ones can take months. I just can't imagine what it must be like to have waited like 3 or so months for the mirror to be ready, only for it to like break or not be how you want it to be. That must be so annoying. But that's why you got to have patience in a thing like that. There's so much going on. You've got Gandhi Jayanti, which is Gandhi's birthday. It's October the 2nd, which is also a dry day throughout the whole of India.
Which is also International Non-Violence Day.
Also International Non-Violence Day. And on top of that, what are the other festivals that are ending right now?
Dashera is ending. Today is Dashera.
What's that?
Dashera is they celebrate the defeat of Lord Rama defeating Ravana. So Durga Puja today is Dashami as well.
So there's like 3 different things, like major things on.
Different parts of India there will be different celebration in different ways. Varla Sadhya.
Yeah. Varla Sadhya.
I'm glad it's not me doing it. I'm glad it's Roy. They would be well annoyed at me.
They are giving the god to their worship.
Come. Chalo. Acha chalo. Yay, she's learning, she's learning. The mirrors we saw being designed a minute ago, we're about to go into his shop now. This is it?
This is the frame. This is our traditional Aranmula metal mirror.
Beautiful.
This is the traditional model, the first model.
Okay.
So now what they are doing is, see this part, you'll have to cover it.
Okay.
So that's what we use.
Wow.
This is how it looks when you cast in mud. This is the surface.
Okay.
This surface we can't do any design.
No. It goes from this to this once it's smooth and then you design it and it turns into this. They're beautiful. That heat was nothing apparently. Look, I'm glowing. You're glowing. This is literally the process. You've got it. This is how it begins. Then it becomes like this and then you will like sand it, right? Sand it for 2-ish days, which becomes this. And then you can see yourself clearly in the mirror. That's crazy.
Do you see any difference?
Have a look. This is much clearer.
More than that, image size. The face will be a little bigger.
Yeah.
This will be the exact face.
Oh really?
Yes.
So that's actually how I look.
Yes.
And this is like
Why?
why?
If you put an object in the mirror,
Yeah.
you see a gap over there.
Yes, I do.
Now, here. Try.
Let's try it. Wow, there's no
There
gap.
won't be any gap. This is how you differentiate between normal mirror and Aranmula material. You will have to check for this. This
And then
one.
that shows that it's the real deal with that sticker.
If this both comes, this mirror is genuine.
So in the whole world, this type of mirror is only made by those 20 people,
20 families.
20 families in the whole world
Yes.
knows this process.
ഇതിന്റെ പ്രൈസും കൂടെ ഒക്കെ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
That's
the price
crazy.
starts from 1,500.
1,500.
This one.
No. This is 5,000.
This is 5,000.
Yes.
Look at it, it's grand. From 1,500 and it ranges all the way up. I'm assuming if you wanted the 7.
The smaller one.
Yeah, maybe even smaller.
This is the smallest one, starting one.
That's 1,500.
1,500. But that is a little bit expensive. That is 3,000.
Oh.
You know why? That frame, it's different.
താമരയുടെ ജാതി.
It's little heavier.
No, there is no gap in it. Yeah, rest of the mirror, it's like this.
Oh, so that's harder to do
It's
because
harder
it's...
to do, and the small one, you make this small.
Wow. Oh, that's adorable! That's so cute!
അതെന്താ സാധനം?
And how much would that be?
This is one piece, it will be 800.
800? Oh my god, I'd end up losing it. I'd buy it and lose it in a second. There's only these 3 models which they create. They got this one and then this one. They had issues with them back in the day, so they would chop that off, which turned it into this. And because it's like slanted, they wanted it straight, which would then turn into this.
And only for the last 40 years only, all these other shapes came.
Oh, so originally it was just these 3. And now you've got more shapes like this one here. Roy is the worst. Roy is every
The last
second he's
bit.
like chocolate,
I got-
chocolate.
You know, every time we come back,
Yeah,
get into
you
the
have to have a little bit of chocolate. 50 pieces of chocolate a day keeps the doctor away.
Roy the chocolate boy.
We stopped off for lunch, Kerala meal time. The rice is very thick.
That is dal.
That's dal. No. Green dal. So what time would you have Kerala meals for lunch? Oh, I like this. One thing I like about Kerala meals is that they come in little dishes. So you can have yourself, see which ones you like. If you don't like them, chuck them to the side. Pickle, not for me, not for me. Crunch the peppers. That pineapple one is amazing. So we're about to go to Jatayu Earth Center. Are you excited, Uncle?
Yes, excited.
Yay!
But
Wait.
the line is not that good.
No, the
for
line
us.
we're not excited about. Look at the queue.
The line.
It's too much.
Crowd.
It's too much. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm never gonna ask him ever again. That sums it up. It literally sums it up.
It's way too humid out here. It's
I
too
think
much.
I think the weather's quite nice right now.
I can't bear this sun.
Yeah, this is our 5th queue. We're not even near the statue. I think we've got another room to go in before we have to wait for the cable cars. By the time we reach the statue, I honestly think the sun's going to have gone down because it's currently, sunsets at 6:30. It's 10 to 6 at the moment. He's so dramatic! So dramatic! Why is this your worst experience?
Because we haven't even seen the actual place and we feel like shit.
And by the time we see the place, we're going to be like, right, come on, let's go.
Yeah.
So we got shoved into another room, look. And you never know, we might end up getting shoved into another room after that. Imagine, we just keep getting shoved. Fun! Oh my god, we're finally here at the cable cars, but we got more queues to go in.
Hell nah, bro. That's how you have to move.
Go, 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 go. Chalo. Oh, we made it! We made it! Oh my god, the sky! Look behind you! Oh, hello! So the temple we just read about, we can actually visit it, but you can't go in right now because obviously it's closed. So we're gonna check it out just from the outside. So when it's open, it costs 5 rupees per pair of shoes and you keep them here. Okay. They're getting on the cable carts down and me and Roy are being the champs and walking down. That's the queue. That's why me and Roy don't want to do it because we're going to be waiting for ages. No, thank you.
A few moments later.
You come in cable car?
Yes.
Please must go with cable.
Sure.
Yes.
Boo! Boo! You guys got your wish. Are you guys happy? Are you guys happy you got your wish? I'm not happy.
I'm not happy as well.
Lies! I saw that smile on your face.
It's a smile of embarrassment.
Can't wait. I can't wait to wait in this queue for 10 years. We believe this is the final one now. It's the final countdown. After this room we go straight in them and then we can leave. But we actually weren't allowed to walk down because we had cable car tickets. If you have walking tickets you can walk down, but if you have the cable car tickets you cannot walk down. We didn't know that, so we've had to wait like an hour and a bit to queue for the cable cars, but hopefully they'll come fast and we can just get on them, go. I am assuming right now it's 5 to 8. My guess is we're going to be in the car at 8:30. That's my guess, but it's another hour to get to our hotel, so a lot of waiting around today, but it's fine. It's fine. We've been in the car all day, so it's probably needed to stand around, to be honest. Go, 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 Roy, go.
Run, 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 run,
Guys, that was so long. How did you not face plant? God, if I did that, I would have been on the floor. And that wraps up this week's video. If you did enjoy this one, don't let the journey end here. Click this video to see what happens when I visited the ancient caves of Kerala. New videos drop every single Sunday, so I'll catch you next week. Bye!